Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing the tie and shirt correctly. First, button the top shirt button so the collar sits snug. This stabilizes the knot and prevents shifting. Once done, position the tie so the knot rests at the collar seam. Make sure it's centered. Open the clip's jaws and orient the hinge downward with the teeth facing the tie fabric. This gives a secure bite. You're now ready to attach near the third shirt button area for balanced tension and a clean visual line. Now you attach the clip while checking alignment. Clip across both layers of the tie and the shirt placket so the clip anchors to fabric beneath and won't spin. Press firmly, but not excessively, to close the jaws because too much force can leave marks or distort the knot. Once clipped, slide the clip slightly up or down to make sure the tie's front panel sits centered over your belt buckle. If the tie leans, reposition by a few millimeters until the fall hangs straight. Finish by inspecting your work. The knot must be centered and the tie should hang straight over the belt. If the fall twists, unclip and realign. If the clip slips on slippery fabrics, you can shift it to thicker placket area or use a tiny, fabric-safe adhesive pad behind the clip for added grip. Make sure it won't stain. If teeth mark the tie, release and choose a clip with smooth pads. Lastly, periodically check the clip during wear. Quick tweaks keep the look tidy all day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.